Hey y'all, hey. Welcome to my channel where I do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And today I'm going to be showing you how I made some Chinese inspired chicken wings with Mambo sauce. Let's get started. Okay y'all, so I'm going to start by adding in all of my seasonings to a small bowl with my other dry ingredients. I'm going to be adding in a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm also going to be adding in a teaspoon and a half of salt. So I'll also list the ingredients in the next shot so you can take a screenshot or take a picture of it so you can have it. I'm going to be adding next to my bowl a teaspoon of sugar. Next, I'll be adding in a tablespoon of cornstarch, which is your key ingredient. So you want to make sure you have that. Now I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So that's it for my dry ingredients. Next, we're gonna move on to our wet ingredients. So to another small bowl, I'll be cracking in 1 large egg. I'll be adding in a tablespoon of sesame oil. Next, I'll be adding in my white wine vinegar. And some soy sauce. Again, I'll list the ingredients for you to see. To the bowl, we're going to add, I think that's it. So now we're just going to mix it up. So I'm mixing it up and mix up our flour as well. And boom, that's it. Okay, y'all, so to a large bowl, I have my chicken wings that I washed in a pat dry. I'm just going to be adding in my wet and my dry ingredients after I mix them up a little bit more. So I think in this bowl I have 9 chicken wings. So the amount of seasonings that I use is for that amount of chicken wings. So yes, I added my dry ingredients. Now I'm adding in my wet. And now we're going to mix it up. So right here is where I was contemplating on whether or not I wanted to use my hands, and I decided not to. So I mixed it up with a spoon, but you can just definitely go ahead and mix it up with your hands so you can get it a nice good rub. Yeah. Using your hands would be better if you want to use gloves or something. But yeah, definitely mix it up with your hands so all the chicken wings can get coated. I do not cut my chicken wings because we like them whole like that, and they're small, so I just don't cut them up, but you can cut them up as well. Yeah, so I'm just mixing it up and making sure everything gets nicely coated. And now I'm getting a Ziploc bag to add the chicken wings to this Ziploc bag. Again, I was about to do some buffoonery, trying to get the chicken wings in a Ziploc bag like that. No. So I added it with my hands. Yeah, girl, get your hands dirty. So I added the chicken wings to the bag. And I'm adding in all of that mixture to the bag as well. So yeah, make sure you just get all of that. So yeah. Now we're going to I'm gonna mix it up in the bag as well, but all right, y'all, it's about that time we take a little pause. We're gonna stop what we're doing real quick. Pour us up something to drink. You go ahead, pour you your poison. Take a minute, hit that subscribe button, and hit that like button, and leave a comment down below saying, hey, sister girl, hey. And go ahead and take you a sip of your drink. Now we're gonna continue on by mixing up the chicken wings in the Ziploc bag. And then we're going to squeeze all that air out of the bag and make sure all of that air is out and lock it on up. Now you can go ahead and place this in your refrigerator for 2 hours before frying, or definitely like 2 days before frying, or however long, but just give it some time to marinate. Okay, so to a large pot, I added in oil, to like half of the pot of oil, and I let it heat up before adding in my chicken wings. Like I said, I have small wings, so I just added all of them right into that pot. So I added all of my wings into the pot, and I let them fry for 4 minutes on each side before flipping them over and letting them fry for another 4 minutes on the other side. After you let them fry for 8 minutes in the oil, you are going to take them out, place them on some paper towel for them to drain, and let them rest for a minute or two. This is my chicken wings that are resting. I took them out of the fryer after 7 minutes, and they're just sitting here chilling for a little bit, and then I'm gonna add them back to the fryer. I fried them hard. You can fry them for as long as you like until you feel like it's ready. Anyways, let's move on to the Mambo sauce recipe, and I'll list what I use right here, which is some brown sugar, some pineapple juice, white vinegar, ketchup, smoked paprika, and some hot sauce. So to a skillet, I am adding in my pineapple juice and my white vinegar. I'm gonna let that heat up. I'm gonna add in my brown sugar and let the brown sugar dissolve by mixing it. You don't want it to clump up, so make sure that you mix it in. After the brown sugar is nicely dissolved, you're just going to add in your ketchup and mix it well. Make sure you really mix it and make sure that all the clumps and stuff are out. After you add the ketchup and you mix it in well, you're just going to add in your smoked paprika and your hot sauce, and just mix that in there as well and let that simmer for about 5 minutes. After that, you just turn the fire off after 5 minutes, and the fire should be on medium heat, by the way. You want to let that cool before you serve it or transfer it to wherever, a bottle or container or whatever. Just let it cool off for a little bit. And there you have it. Some Chinese chicken wings, or inspired by the Chinese chicken wings. They taste, listen, they are bussin'. Okay, and the Mambo sauce is very good as well, so make sure you try it. We paired it with some shrimp fried rice. And if you would like to see that video on how I made this shrimp fried rice, just subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in that video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Thank you all for watching my video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on anything that you want to see me do next. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you can be notified when I post my next video. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.